everyone and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm actually going to be showing you my everyday makeup and hair routine. Now this is very full glam, I know, and to a lot of people this probably wouldn't be an everyday makeup, but at the moment with lockdown and everything, the fact that we haven't really been able to go out and all the events have been cancelled and holidays and weddings and anything like that have been cancelled, kind of getting glam is a bit of a abnormality and a rarity. So whenever I do get the opportunity to wear makeup at the moment, I really like to kind of give myself a little bit of a treat and get glam. But like I said, this is probably not going to be everyone's everyday makeup look. And obviously when I go to work, I don't wear any makeup at all because this in the morning at 6 AM would be way too much for me. So if you want to see how I got this everyday makeup look using majority drugstore products, then please keep watching. So guys, I thought I'd just jump on here quickly as I'm currently editing my everyday makeup routine, but I just wanted to let you guys know the day that this goes up, I am going to be going on to 5 night shifts at work. So there is going to be a little bit of a break in videos purely because I am going to be sleeping pretty much all day, every day for this next week. And then I'll be working all at night, so I don't have time to film any new videos or edit them. So there is going to be a little bit of a break, but I hope to get back to filming them next week and then I can get some up for you. Just thought I'd jump on here and let you guys know. So guys, starting off, I've already done my brows off camera. I've used the Morphe Dip Brow Pomade. This is what I use every single time and I love it. Moving on to primer. I am using this, which is from Makeup Revolution. It's the Pore Blurring Primer. I've had this for a little while now and it is really good at kind of getting deep into your pores, filling them in and blurring out your skin. Then taking my foundation, I'm using the Primark Pierre Colour Double Coverage Matte Foundation. This is a massive dupe for the Estee Lauder Double Wear. I take it in 2 shades as I'm kind of in between shades at the moment, dot it all over my face, and then I use a flat top kabuki brush and then go over it with my Morphe sponge to blend it all out. Now for concealer, I'm actually taking this new product of mine from Shein. So this is the Sheglam concealer and this is in the shade 201 Finland. This was my first time using it and I was actually really impressed. It was a nice medium to buildable coverage. It didn't really settle under the creases in my eyes and it set down really nice. So yeah, I was really impressed by this. Taking this foundation powder from Primark, this is in the shade 04 Cool Sand and I'm using this to set underneath my under eyes as it just provides that extra little bit of coverage as well. And then taking the Rimmel Stay Matte Powder. This one I've had for a long time and I'm using this to go all over the rest of my face to set it all down. And then taking the C.Y.O bronzing powder and applying that into the hollows of my cheeks using a nice big fluffy brush. Taking my Smashbox blusher. This is probably one of the oldest makeup products I have, but I absolutely love it, so can't bring myself to throw it away. And this is in the shade Warm Glow, and it just provides and it just gives you that amazing sun-kissed glow to your cheeks, and I just absolutely love it. And then taking this Morphe highlighter palette, I believe this is the 8Z one, and then I'm taking this shade here, which is called Extra, and applying it to the high points of my face. Now once I've done all my powders, I do like to set it all down. So I'm using the Makeup Revolution Hyaluronic Fix Setting Spray. I absolutely love this, and I drench my face in it, and it just helps all those powders settle into your skin and give it a really nice soft glow finish. Now for a really simple, quick, easy day-to-day makeup look, I take the same bronzing powder that I've used on my face and apply that into the crease of my eye, as it just provides that little bit of definition within my eye, but then I don't have to do a full-on eyeshadow look. So yeah, absolutely love this little trick. And then taking this palette from Makeup Obsession, I'm using the dark brown shade here, and I'm using it on a very small angled eyeliner brush, and I'm going to use this shadow to also almost create an eyeliner look, but it's a bit of a softer one. So instead of using just a thick black eyeliner, I'll use this to create that kind of type line over my eye, but keeping it nice and day to day. As you can see, I had absolute bangers on while I was doing my makeup. Once I've done that, I like to take my eyelash curlers, and then I will take two mascaras. So I'm using the Maybelline Lash Sensational. This is a favourite of mine, and this new mascara from Primark. I used the Maybelline Lash Sensational first and then the Primark one on top, as I did find the Primark one quite clumpy if you use it straight away. So I used the Maybelline one to separate my lashes, and then the Primark one to add the volume. Now, I was very undecided on whether or not to do lashes, but then I thought, do you know what? Why not? Let's put some lashes on. So I believe these are by Ardell. These are the Demi-Wispies, and the lash band on these is so thin, so it creates a really nice natural lash effect. I do apologise, I didn't realise how far out of shot I actually dipped when I was putting these on, so I've only managed to get small clips of myself applying them, but I just use the Hylauronic eyelash glue and it keeps them on all day. Then taking the Primark Brow Fix, I like to run this through my brows as it creates a nice little fluffy look for them. Then taking my MAC lip liner pencil in Soar, I'm going to be outlining my lips. I do overline my lips ever so slightly, but only in the centre. Then taking this MAC lipstick in Velvet Teddy. I hadn't used this in a very long time and kind of forgot how much I absolutely love this lipstick. And then taking the Makeup Revolution Poutbomb, and this is a lip gloss in the shade Cookie, and these two just really complement each other. So that's the makeup all done. Moving on to my hair now. So what I tend to do at the moment, as I pop it into a middle parting and then sleek it back into a nice low ponytail. When I was doing this, I did realise that my hair was probably a few days old, so I needed to add some dry shampoo. So I'm just using this one from Batiste. I've used Batiste for years and I swear by them. They are so good at dry shampoos. So I like to brush it back into the middle parting and then sleek it back into a low pony, and then use Kirby grips to kind of tie away any loose ends. And there you go guys, that is it. That is my everyday makeup routine and my hair. Oh, my hair's not sticking in place. My hair at the moment, is just very simple, and I really like this kind of sleek, slick back look into a ponytail. I think it really complements my face. I know I'm bigging myself up here, but I think it really suits me. I have just slipped on this little sleeve. This was one I picked up recently in my Shein haul. I'm actually going out now to meet one of my friends. We are going for some lunch, which is very exciting. I will leave all the products listed down below. I will see you all in the next one. Bye.